What's up, YouTube? Ready to get a little bit dangerous in here. We are going to solder some connections with this, because it's not a normal soldering job. It's bullet connectors. Anyways, we already did the truck. Oh, it's got screws in it. We already did the truck, so we don't have to worry about that right now. Wasn't sure if we finished it the last time we were out here messing with it. But this, on the other hand, let's see if we can get this thing all set up. This, on the other hand, we still have to do. So basically, it's all ready to go. I just have to put an end on it, which I guess makes for a really short video, and it's not really a how-to, but something to do, something I have to get done, so figured I'd try to make a video. So anyways, what we have here is the female end is on the truck, and we have the male end. I'm dropping stuff all over the place. Don't want to lose these. Let's see. And we got to make sure we put on the right ones. So on the red on the truck, we got the female, and we have the male on the black. So we're going to obviously do the opposite. We're going to do the male on the white and the female end on the black. Right? That's what I say? Oh no, we want female. Cool beans. Might get this thing done yet. Pretty much it's the only thing I have to do to this, and then my son will finish up his stuff that he's doing to it, and we will be ready to rock and roll. Alright, so where's the solder hiding at? If you haven't noticed, I like blaming stuff on my kids. There is a legit reason for that. My kids like going through my stuff. But it's okay, because they blame stuff on me too. But it's going to be a tough video to make without any solder. You YouTube people see my solder anywhere? Over here in the mess? Hey, breath mints. Right on. But not solder. You know, the funny thing is, I got a lot of it. Here we go. We'll just roll with this little stuff. It'll work. Not exactly what I want to use with this flamethrower torch, but it'll work. Alright. So, in the short end here, not the deep one, we are going to put a little bit of solder in there. First, we're going to fire off this bad boy. Definitely overkill. Not necessary. But that's exactly how I like to do stuff. So we'll melt some of this solder in there. Like so. Try to get some of it in there. Alright. Put this little piece that fell out in there. See if we can get that to melt down. I think we Probably throw a little bit more of this down there. This is a map gas that I'm using. Normally a little pen torch would work good for something like this. Alright, so we're going to get that nice and hot, and then we're going to take this end of it, we're going to shove this in there. Like that. I guess we can go ahead and kill the heat on that for a moment. Alright. And there we go. Some people use flux. It's not necessary for what I'm doing right here. But to give you an idea on what I accomplished, it's connected. I just went ahead and scored the end of the wire before shooting the video, and then I put some in the bottom of this bullet connector, and then we went ahead and heated it up, melted down, dropped it in. So now that that's all done, my son has no excuses but to work on his RC car. And we're going to get some trail run videos because I am lacking serious trail run videos. So if you could, like, subscribe, and we're going to get a lot of trail run videos coming real soon. Thanks, guys. Bye. Wait, we're not done. You guys probably think I'm a savage. We still got to put on this shrink wrap. Have to have shrink wrap. Maybe if I put it on the right connector, huh? It's just more excuse to play with the torch here. Move the white one that I've already done out of the way. And now we're officially done. So thanks, guys. Catch you later.